We are making, do you know what we're making? We're making French dip.
Can I take a picture?
And it's a lot of beef, like 2 pounds of beef, but this is the size it comes in.
Can I take a picture of it?
No, we are searing the, or I'm searing, we are searing the beef, and then we'll put onions in, and then for the mixture, or for the, we have for the slow cook, it's supposed to be slow cook. It's actually 2 o'clock. I'm supposed to do this at 10 o'clock. It's like 8 hours. It'll get 5 hours, maybe. We have beef broth here, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and
honey. Bear honey.
So that is what we are doing.
Can I take a picture of it? Yummy.
So here we have the beef. That is seared, not crazy seared, it's more seared on the other side. And then in here we have
onions.
We have onions and
minced garlic.
And garlic.
Mix.
We are going to saute this for a few minutes. Smells good. Even.
Yeah.
So we are going to check on the French dip. It's not prime rib. I forget what cut it is, but here it is. It's been cooking for about 4 o'clock now. 2 hours? 2 hours. Supposed to cook theoretically for 8. But it's also, the recipe is 3 pounds. This is 2 pounds. This is what it looks like. How does it look? How does it look? How does it smell?
Good.
Smells good? Good. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do, because we are not going to eat 2 pounds of beef. So I'm hoping that.
What? Isn't today movie night?
Okay, so.
Can we still have one?
If you want. But I don't know if, I am hoping, but I think we will just try to freeze what we don't eat, because we're not gonna eat 2 pounds of beef. Okay, it is about 6:30. It has been 4.5 hours. This is what it now looks like. And I don't have a meat thermometer, so I mean, it's cooked. The thing I just don't understand is why it has to take, the thing I don't understand is why it has to take 8 hours. Would you get these bubbles in a slow cooker? I don't know. I never had a slow cooker, but I think this is done. Michelin is really hungry. In the freezer, I put it away in the freezer, but in the oven we have these French fries. I thought I got the garlic parmesan fries, but I didn't. Next time. These are the Alexa kind. Here, let me just show you.
Alexia.
Huh?
Alexia.
Alexia? I don't know. It's kind of this kind. Alexia, yeah, you're right, Alexia. These are the house cut fries. They look and smell better than the generic supermarket brand, so I'm hoping that they'll be good.
Beautiful meat. Taking it out is tricky part. It's not this red.
Ooh, falling apart.
That's how juicy it is. Big hunka munka. Here goes 1, 2, 3. What?
Wow, look at this.
Move your hands.
Amazing. Is it amazing? Smell good?
Then the juice.
Fry.
We got fries, yummy, delicious fries. We got that juice with onions. Then over here we got some bread. Bread.
Right.
Let's go back to the beef. Most important part. Move out of the way. Then we got the knife. Duh.
No, come on this side. You got it. Is it filming?
Yeah. Can I try a piece?
Yeah, but it's very hot.
Yeah. Where should I put
Okay,
it?
well, don't get it dirty.
Where should I put it? I'm gonna put it like that. Is that good?
Oh, very hot.
Can I touch it?
It's hot.
I wanna try it.
It's hot, Micheline. Seriously. Get a fork.
It looks like an ad. It looks like a.
Careful.
Looks good.
How is it?
God.
Huh? Is it good? That's what it looks like.
So good.
Micheline, okay, stop eating.
Fine.